Imagine yourself in this 2005 Kia Sedona LX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include driver vanity mirror, front disc rear drum brakes, passenger airbag, steel wheels, front-wheel drive, wheel covers, variable speed intermittent wipers, and rear AC. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.